Fun and easy homemade snacks for kids. If you're looking for quick and tasty ideas to keep those little tummies happy, just a sprinkle of creativity. Here are some fun and easy homemade snacks for kids that they'll love to help make and eat. Fruit kabobs. Up first, we have a classic favorite, fruit kabobs. Grab some colorful seasonal fruits chunks. Let the kids get involved by threading them. That's not only delicious but also a playful way to enjoy their fruits. Veggie dippers. Turn snack time into veggie fun with veggie dippers. Slice up cucumbers, carrots, and bell peppers into sticks. Pair them with a tasty dip like hummus or yogurt. It's a crunchy, munchy snack that sneaks in some veggies, too. Mini sandwich bites. Craft mini sandwich bites without the fuss of a recipe. Use small cookie cutters to create fun shapes from bread. Add simple fillings like cheese, turkey, or peanut butter. It's a bite-sized adventure for their taste buds. Popcorn mix. Transform plain popcorn into a flavorful popcorn mix. Toss popcorn with a variety of seasonings like cinnamon, cocoa powder, or a sprinkle of grated cheese. It's a customizable snack that lets kids experiment with flavors. Yogurt parfait creations. Bring the yogurt parfait to life with a DIY parfait station. Provide yogurt, granola, and an array of toppings like berries, nuts, and honey. Kids can assemble their own parfaits for a snack that's as unique as they are. Rice cakes and guacamole. Spread guacamole on rice cakes and top with chopped tomatoes, black beans, or cheese for a fun and flavorful snack. These are just a few ideas to get you started. With a little creativity, you can come up with countless fun and easy homemade snacks that your kids will love. It's a great way to teach them about healthy eating habits. We hope your kids enjoy these delicious and fun snacks.